Issue with huge ass RV repair. Did AAA tell you that this is off-road and they won't recover you, even though it's in a giant parking lot right next to the road? Well, don't worry. Huge ass RV repair has got you covered. We will jump on the hood of your Class C RV. You know what? That grill is practically free at a junkyard. I'll get you a new piece of a grill. Grab a can of ether, spray it down the gullet. I'm going to drive this mother onto the other side of the parking lot. Go for it. So far, so good. Even better. Come on, chug, baby, chug. There we go. Woo! It looks more dangerous than it is, folks. Don't worry. We'll back this bitch up. Not going off-roading. We got the trainee driving. Keep it on the asphalt. Yeah, go for it. Certified professionals, folks. I think that's good. So, if you need professional assistance, you know who to call, 877-484-4527, and ask for Hugh. Happy to help you.